Is your JBL Charge 6 showing a red light and not charging? Don't worry, let's fix it together. Sometimes this happens for a few reasons. So if your speaker got wet or was used near water, let it dry for 2 to 3 hours or overnight in an open space before trying to charge. Next, you have to check the charging port on your JBL Charge 6. If there's any dirt or leftover moisture, gently clean it with a blower or soft cotton, then leave it open for another hour. And also you can clean your charging cable. After that, make sure you're using a good adapter that supports 5 to 20 volts and up to 3 amps. And also check that the cable is in good condition. Here's something important to remember: just avoid cheap or weak chargers, damaged or thin USB-C cables, and don't try to play music while charging with a weak power source. Using the right charger and the cable keeps your JBL safe and charging properly. If it's still not charging, you can try by reset. Just make sure your JBL Charge 6 is turned on, and now press and hold the play or pause button and the volume up button at the same time about 5 to 10 seconds until it's turned off. This actually resets the internal charge control. And if none of this works and the red light stays on, it could be a battery or internal circuit problem. In that case, just consult a repair center or consider replacing the battery. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Thanks for watching.